Are your legs feeling weak? Do your hands sometimes tingle for no reason? If you're over 60, this could be your body's way of telling you something very important. After the age of 60, our body's natural collagen production drops sharply, leading to weak muscles, stiff joints, poor circulation, and even painful leg cramps at night. But here's the good news. Nature has a solution. In today's video, we're breaking down the 8 best collagen-rich fruits, backed by science, that can help restore muscle strength, ease joint pain, and improve mobility. And stay tuned, because I'll also share Richard's story, a 67-year-old who completely turned his health around with one simple fruit habit. Why collagen matters. After 60, collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It supports your joints, keeps your muscles strong, and helps your blood flow properly. Without enough collagen, you may feel weaker, stiffer, and slower. But with the right foods, you can naturally boost your collagen levels. The 8 collagen-rich fruits seniors must eat. 1. Oranges. Packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen production. They strengthen blood vessels and reduce leg cramps. 2. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Rich in antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down. 3. Papaya. Contains vitamin C and special enzymes that support joint flexibility. 4. Avocado. Full of healthy fats and vitamin E, which protect and rebuild collagen in muscles and skin. 5. Kiwi. Small but powerful, loaded with vitamin C to keep your joints strong. 6. Grapes, especially red and black grapes. Their skin has resveratrol, which improves blood circulation and reduces tingling in hands. 7. Mango, high in vitamin A and C, helps collagen formation and keeps your legs strong. 8. Guava, surprisingly higher in vitamin C than oranges, making it a collagen superfruit for seniors. Richard's story. Let me share a quick story. Richard, a 67-year-old retiree, suffered from weak legs and constant tingling in his hands. Walking even a few steps felt difficult, but after adding just 2 fruits to his daily routine, papaya in the morning and guava at night, his strength slowly returned. Within 3 months, he could walk a mile without discomfort. His secret? Consistency and the right collagen-rich fruits. Extra senior health tips. Drink enough water daily to support collagen absorption. Do light stretching or walking for circulation. Combine fruits with protein sources like nuts or yogurt for better collagen use. So if you're tired of weak legs, stiff joints, or tingling hands, remember this. Aging may slow collagen production, but with the right fruits and habits, you can fight back. Nature has given us powerful tools. Use them daily, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.